Okay. We're starting off strong with best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. Learn the tabulation method. I tried to learn it for about 2 hours. Maybe not two, like one. And I couldn't. Okay. So I know how to do the DFS way. Yeah, the DFS way is actually pretty straightforward. Next equals. What do I return? What's my exit condition here? Mm-hmm. I think it's just 0. When you cool down after you sell. Oh, I did around. Well, that too. So when we buy, we want to subtract how much the stock costs. If we sell, we want to add how much the stock costs. There you go. Okay. This is genius too, how they do that. Who would have thought that? Not me. Mm-hmm. I see. Okay, this makes a little sense actually. Which is better than before, because before it made negative sense. Hmm. Okay, we'll never return math.max profit because we'll never make a profit by buying on the last day. Or we'll never get the max value if we buy on the last day. That just makes no sense. Mm-hmm. I gotta finish this before I start. Mm-hmm. This all makes sense. Everything from here to here makes sense. So is it that? So is -1 or -2 greater? -1's technically greater. That makes sense. Is that it? Yeah. Yeah, it's way faster. Okay. So -1 or -2, 0 or 1, go back up here, -1 or -3, 1, 1 or 2. -1 or 0. Wait, no. -1 or cooldown I minus 1. 1 minus 0. 1. 2 or -1 plus 0. 1 or 2. One or 2 minus 2. 2 or 1 plus 2 or 1 plus 2. That's confusing to me. So it kind of starts. One still invested by one still invested by one still invested by we buy here, we sell here. That's a profit of 2. One, 2. 1, 2. So it's profit of 2. Buy, sell, cool down, buy, sell. 3. So if we sell here, that's only 2, and then we only can buy here, that's why. So we buy, okay, so we look here, profits 1, cooldown is yeah, if we sell that, we can't sell that day, we can cool down that day, and it would definitely be 0, so call is 1, so profit's 1 here, profit's 2 here. So how does it know to not? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 plus -1 is 2, 0 plus -1 is -1. I don't really get this. I still don't get this. Oh my gosh. So why does this change to 1 here? So we sell there, our cooldown is 1. This is just a lagging effect basically. So we sell here, cooldown's now 1. Because cooldown's 1, cooldown minus 0 is going to be, so 1 minus 0 is going to be 1. This is a bad example of 0. 1. So we make money. Oh, it's basically telling me that, so we make 2 here, but we also make money by skipping this. So then this will calculate whether it's best to not include this or to I still can't like absolutely explain it. This 0 is such a bad example. Such a bad example. Actually, yeah, it really doesn't matter. Like, so there we're constantly calculating
We're calculating the profit, max profit if we buy in that respective day, max profit if we sell in that respective day, max profit if we cool down in that respective day. So, of course, buy will never have the answer because we're subtracting. If we buy on this day, we also can't buy again. How is this stopping us from buying two in a row? I have no clue how this is stopping us. Buy. I guess it's trying to do the last day. It's trying to do the least amount of damage. So buy represents the maximum profit achievable to that day. I, if the last operation performed is a buy on that day. When you decide to buy a stock, your potential profit can be negative because you're spending money. The value of buy I shows the best possible outcome if you decide to hold onto the stock after buying on day I. Your potential profit can be negative because you're spending money. Okay, that makes sense. The second sentence doesn't. The value of buy I shows the best possible outcome if you decide to hold onto that stock after buying on day I. Okay. So only time you can buy is after cooldown. So you have to take the profit from the cooldown of the previous day and then subtract your purchase. Or you maintain yesterday's decision of holding on to the stock. Sell I represents the maximum profit achievable up to day I if the last operation performed is a sell. When you sell a stock, you realize the profit from the transaction. The value of sell I reflects the maximum profit achievable if you sell on day I. You either keep the previous day's profit without selling, or you sell the stock you bought on an earlier day. Wait, okay, I get this. You sell the stock you bought on an earlier day. Buy I minus 1 plus price is I. How does this keep track of because it's going to say, oh, this is obviously a sell because we're making $1. But how does it know we're... So realistically, what this is doing is keeping track of the cheapest time to buy. Yeah. Okay, so this keeps track of the cheapest time to buy and the profit that those cheapest times get you. So it's in this section, the cheapest time to buy is at 1. So, but our profit is going to be -1 the whole time. Then here, we've sold at least here or here. So then after a cooldown, okay. So buy sees this as an opportunity because it's either -1, it's either we hold on to this 1, or we sell here, cool down here, and then buy another. Oh, so this cooldown, it's so crazy. This buy is dependent on cooldown, which is dependent on sell, which is dependent on buy. That's crazy. So this keeps, the buy array keeps track of the cheapest price of the stock within a given time period. Whether that, the cheapest price of a given stock in a time period, and the cheapest places to rebuy. So it tracks the cheapest prices and the cheapest places to buy. Okay, no, I shouldn't say cheapest. It keeps track of the best time to buy and the most profitable time to buy. Yeah. Okay, let's re-explain that. So in this section, it's going to say, okay, 1 is the cheapest price right now. 1 is the cheapest price right now. Still, 1 is still the cheapest price. And then it's going to say, okay, do I want to go with 1 or do I want to buy here? And if I buy here, I have to cool down here, which is why I have to check this. And if I cool down here, I have to sell here, which is why I have to check this. So if I do that, then we can take this number. This number is blank for now. We'll take this number, look back at this number, to look back at this number, and see if selling here, cooling down here, and buying here is cheaper than just buying here. Okay, that makes sense. Now what? That kind of puts sell into perspective, because cooldown is basically just based off of sell. Yeah, and sell just like, okay, what's the cheapest price we've bought at? Or no, what's the best time to buy, and what's the most profitable time? What's the best and most profitable time to buy? And then it subtracts each number from it and then just calculates the maximum. Like here, 0 plus -1. No, this is way bigger. And then here it says 2 minus 1. It's either 2 or 1 plus 2, which is our profit here. And this is only positive because we happen to have because it happens to be profitable to cool down, which is here. Okay. And then cool down. Yeah, so these are just keeping track of each other. These are just making sure we don't step over each other's feet.
Okay. I think if I can write it from memory right now, we are good. I'm going to read you this though. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty fascinating, actually. Wow. Okay. I think this is going to be the same as Task Scheduler, where we just revisit it just to make sure that we understand it. Because that's a pretty complicated solution. Oh, wait. That's crazy. 40 minutes for a problem. Oh my goodness. Okay. Distinct subsequences, understand solution, did not know. Okay. This is kind of like DFS. Okay. Oh, this is the weird one. Like you use a 2D array and then you kind of just go. Huh. Hmm. Yeah, you have to make a table. To be honest, I don't think we need this. And then do we need a cache too? No way. Okay, I totally get this problem. Is it faster than this, or am I actually just 10%? Oh my gosh. I'm sure there's a DP way to... Yep, of course. Wait, what? This is so much easier. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh? I'm pretty sure. Let's try it out. I'm pretty sure I can write the other one pretty well. Which way does it go? Also, this is T. I'm tempted to do this. I actually feel like this is wrong. What the heck? Gotta change something. What the? There we go. Okay. Oh, wait.
So once we get to RAB, dude, I totally can solve this. Oh my gosh. What am I missing? I'm doing this wrong. I'm not counting the I have to check like if t dot, or if j equals t dot length minus 1 or something like that. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I don't got it. Maybe I have to look at the answer. I didn't know the DP problem was this easy though. Oh, that's interesting. Do you have to do that? Why would you have to do that? So oh my gosh. Like, would this break? Oh, that was another thing I was thinking about. You have to invert the... Oh. I didn't actually think we had to do it. Wait, no. Yes, you do have to invert. That's why it's complicated.
Because all of your character checking is dependent on the T string. So you would want to loop through the T string first, and then for every value in the T string, then check every value in the S string, not the other way around, because this is the one we have to match, not this one. So that actually makes sense. Actually, I'm gonna ask GPT. Can you show me? But the what's it called? The oh my gosh, the DFS way was easy. I think. Can you show me the ZP method for solving distinct subsequences? Okay, if it's so easy, why don't you just write it again? So I'm gonna do that. I don't even think I needed that. Of course. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not too bad. Mm-hmm.
That makes sense now. Okay, so then we iterate. Whoa. Let DP be a 2D array with dimensions.
So if T is empty, it'll be infinite, or it'll be like the max amount. Because any given space will have empty substrings. If S is empty and T is not empty, then it's impossible. So if the letters equal each other, the table will have dpij minus 1. Okay, I see. So if hpt.triad what? What am I missing? Oops. Oops. Is it plus equals for any of them? What am I missing? What the heck is that? That was it. Okay, so I kind of get this. So we make the table. For each value where t is 0, where t is empty, it'll be 1. Screw it, I'm just going to rewrite it and see if I can do it. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to redo this too. Just because I just remember the problem when I... Okay, cool. I'm gonna redo task scheduler. I'm gonna go through this list, these 3, just to make sure I get it. I'm gonna do this first, then this, then this. So in the order that I learned them, just so I'll forget myself to forget the problem and not think about it as actively, and then I'll do it when I've thought about other things and forgotten potential thingies, potential aspects of the problem. Okay, so what do we have to do here?
Wait, does this actually make a difference? What? Why does that make a difference? Whoa. What? Whoa, what? Why does that make a difference? If it's negative. So, like if it's 0, -1, +1. Yeah. Ooh, okay. So if we get rid of it, which ones are wrong? The first one is wrong though. That's something to look into. Yeah, I think it's negative values for sure, but in the first example, we shouldn't run into negative values because max frequency count will be 2. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, and then 2 minus 2 minus 1, -1. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 2 minus 1 is... Oh, okay. It does matter, but why? Oh, because we don't want to do this first. We just want to do this first. Okay. That's what the parentheses are there for. Of course. But the order matters, I guess. Because we want to 2 minus 2, which is 0 minus 1. Then cooldown length is going to be negative, which is impossible. Oh, okay. So we need to take the max frequency count, subtract the current frequency from it, and then subtract that by n. Okay. Yeah, good thing I caught that. What am I doing next? Best time to... Okay. So it's... Wow. All right, let's try to do DFS too, just so I know both.
Just so I know both. This solution makes so much more sense to me. Yeah. Okay, distinct subsequences now. Should I do the tabulation first or the DFS first? I'll do DFS first, just so, just cause. Well, technically they're both tabulation. One's just slower. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Whoops. I'm pretty sure this is call. Um, I've seen some examples where it's row. I'm pretty sure it's column, because the two-dimensional array will hold them the opposite of what you think they'll hold them. So this will be, it's an array of arrays. So basically it's like this and then this. Is it column? So that's GPT. Is this technically call or a row? Oh, it is row. It is? I guess I just visually explained it, because it'll be like this, this. Well, now we know it's a row. Okay, now let's try to tabulate this. What the? It's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. Only 2 problems today, but they're pretty, I mean, to be fair, A, I knew the problems already. And B, I was hyper optimizing these 2 problems. And now I know, like, well, this is what we say every time, but I know that they work a lot better. So yeah, we're still chipping away. First balloons, this one might be tough. That'll be easy. None, that'll be easy. That'll be easy. Oh, I feel like I know these. These are all intervals. What the heck? That's graph, I think. Yeah. Higher problems. Oh my gosh. But there's only 2. to do the same problems. I did them 14 times. Oh man. And I did task scheduler. Wait, where's task scheduler? Did I not submit it? Oh my gosh. Did I not submit? Oh yeah, I think I was caught up on the min length thing. Whatever. Okay. 2 problems. I felt good about those 2 problems this time around. I do wish it didn't take as long to do them, but sometimes these problems take a while, especially the DP ones. And I struggle with the dynamic programming generally, so I'm not really upset that these took a little longer and that I took my time with understanding them. Yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad. Another day, another few problems done. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Looking forward to the weekend, seeing what how much I can get done over the weekend. But yeah. Until the next time.